What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So it is another vlog. I'm waiting on my friend to come on. We are about to go to Walmart and I gotta get a couple things. So I just bought me a tennis racket. Sorry, I'm in the garage filming, but I bought this tennis racket here and I bought me some balls because me and my friend play tennis, so stay tuned. What's up, y'all? So we just got done tennis and now I'm here with my good old sis Berea. Hi guys. I'm dead. We're here at BJ's and eat us some food, so I'll check back in with you guys later. Got our waters and our pizza right, y'all, and we got our desserts. She got mucky red, I got cookies and cream. What's up, y'all? So it is Tuesday. I haven't vlogged all day today, obviously. It is going on 7 and I just got back from the grocery store. I had to do me a little grocery shopping. So I'm gonna be making tacos today. So I got this type of cheese, this taco seasoning, and then with my ground turkey, I'm gonna put in green and red bell pepper and then some onions. I got the ground turkey going because you know it's Taco Tuesday, okay? So we finna make us some tacos, but I'm using ground turkey because we still watching our calories. So anyways, also I got me some 0-calorie Minute Maid. I watched this lady named Gina Janine, and she be buying these, and I'm like, I love me some Minute Maid. Minute Maid is like the best juice out. So I was like, I gotta try this. And it's 0 sugar, like, okay. And it has 5 calories, 0 fat, and 2 grams of carbs. So we finna see what it's talking about. And it's mine, so I'm finna drink out the bottle. And nobody else finna drink my stuff. I buy my own groceries in this house. Let's see. Wow, this is actually good for some zero sugar and only 5 calories. I'm impressed. Wow, this is good. This might be my new go-to when I want me some juice, but trying to keep it low on the calories and sugar. Okay, Minute Maid. Got mine at Safeway. That's the only place I could find it. So I'm about to check on my food and I'll check back in with you guys later. So this is what we are working with, y'all. It's so good, like, so. What's up, y'all? So today is Thursday, and I think the last time I talked to y'all was Tuesday, I think. I can't remember, but anyways, I'm tired, like, tired. I wake up at 4:30 a.m. and have to be at work at 6. So I leave my house about 5, and I gotta drive like 35-45 minutes depending on traffic. Like, it's the best shift, 6 to 2. But you just be tired after work. Like, my job is not that hard or demanding or anything. It's just having to wake up and get there, which makes me so tired, y'all. I'm tired of it, okay? But I work Friday and Saturday. I don't really have much going on this weekend, so, but next week is spring break, y'all. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I ain't doing nothing, but your girl got the weekend off, period. Usually I work on Friday and Saturday, but your girl scheduled it off. I ain't doing nothing. I might do something, but I ain't finna be at work though, so that's all that matters. And I'm so excited because I work every weekend, y'all, and I get tired of it. Like, what if I want to go out and do stuff? Like, that's why I have no life, because I work Friday and Saturday, and by the time I get off on Saturday, your girl be tired. I mean, I end up doing like stuff from time to time, just ready for the next chapter of my life, like for real. And then I can't work out. Like last week, I was doing so good on working out, and now I have only worked out once this week. Last week I worked out 5 times and I was feeling so good about it. But I'm gonna get back on my grind next week, period. Like, I have to. Because summer is right around the corner, girl. Like, this body needs to be snatched. Anyways, I'm currently laying in my bed, obviously. My pillows are over there. Sometimes I like laying on my bed with no pillows. I don't know, it feels nice. But I'm waiting on my boo to come over. Yeah, I'll check back in with you guys once I get my food. I'm hungry. And if I don't get this food in the next hour, I'm finna be hangry. Bag secured. So we got Korean barbecue right here. I don't know why this camera will not focus. Then we got Louisiana rum, and this lighting is terrible, don't mind it. Then we got the Bayou barbecue. So we finna grab. So my baby has been at the doctor's all day, and we just picked her up. Say hi, baby. Say hi, baby. See, I haven't ate all day because I wasn't trying to eat before I left, and been at the hospital. We dropped her off at the hospital at what time? Like 9, and then it is 6:19. So yeah, she's hungry and thirsty and tired and all of the above. And I need to take these braids out, honey, because my head's itching. We're gonna make some cookies, my favorites. Pillsbury's the best. Toll House don't got shit on them, okay? Toll House is nasty. Now, I ain't gonna lie to you. I like these ones, but that's it. Like, other than that, Toll House tastes like sand. So no, we don't do Toll House in this house. So yeah, we're gonna bake some cookies and kind of just enjoy our night. Honestly, I got more editing to do, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. Watch me some Law and Order, and yeah, I'll probably watch TV with my mom, and that's pretty much it. So. There you have it. What's up, y'all? What's today? It is Tuesday, and I'm here at the DOL because I have to get something done with my car. And y'all, of course, the DOL is gonna be a 30-minute wait. We knew that. So I'm just sitting in my car waiting for them to text me, which they haven't yet. But that was like 20 minutes ago that I put my name on the list, and I went and got my cookies because that is my favorite place to go to, and cookies. I do want to try a few other places, but I was like, might as well kill time, and it's like down the street. So I was like, yep, I'm finna get it. But I actually don't know if I have all the information to do what I need to do at the DOL. So I'm actually finna go up there and ask them, so I'm not wasting my time. But it needs to get done today. So anyways, I'll check back with you guys later because we got niggas staring at me and they don't know how to mind their business. Of course. So the place I go to is called Cow Chip Cookies. Or is it just called Cow Chips? Cow Chip Cookies. And I always get 3 or 2 bags. 3, I was feeling generous because I was thinking my boyfriend might want some and I don't like sharing. But I get these little mini cookies, chocolate chip cookies. I don't know, but like I don't like any other kind besides chocolate chip from them. I don't know, white chocolate tastes very weird to me, so I don't get that. I only get the chocolate chip one. But yeah, they're so good. We overbaked them this time, but when they're fresh out, bomb. And by the way, for these mini ones, it is $2 for 6. Yeah, I believe so. It used to be $150 and then it went to $175, so they going up, sis. If they go up to $250, $3, I don't know if I'm gonna be messing with them anymore, because yeah, no. Y'all, so I was trying to find my title and I could not find it. I just could not find it, and I'm like, damn, I ain't even had this car a year. Like, why have I lost my title? But it was in the back of my glove compartment. Like, I slipped it all the way in the back. So thank God I found it, because I'm like, what if I got pulled over? This would have been all bad. All right, y'all, so I wanted to end this vlog because I need to get used to ending my vlogs. There's going to be another vlog coming soon, longer vlog at that, because I'm about to go on spring break. We go on spring break tomorrow, baby, even though I'm finna be at work, but we finna have fun this weekend because your girl got it off, okay? But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.